Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro with a specification overview, and also I'm gonna show you all the features that you can find on this device. So first of all, when you take a look on this box, we can find information about screen. So we get AMOLED screen, 1.74 inches, metal frame, and on this side we can find information about GNSS, so this is basically GPS, over 150 sport modes, 5 ATM water resistance, and linear motor, so we get vibrations. So now let's go inside and let's check what accessories we can find inside. So inside we can find this simple charger. There's also our device packed with this foil. Oh, I'm not sure. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna actually remove it. I'm just gonna slide it out. There's like a lot of dust right here. I'm not sure why. But that's how the device looks. Take a look. Let's just catch focus on it. There we go. So right here we can find the sensors. There's the pins for charger. And there's no any power button, so if we want to turn it on, we'll have to connect this into this charger. And also we can find here straps. This is like silicone straps. The feeling is almost the same like Apple Watch Series 10. And right here there's also this quick guide. Okay, so let's go forward, and as you can see right now I'm connected into my Android phone, and first of all, when we are in the application we can find all of these watch faces. As you can see, there's like a lot of watch faces that you can actually quickly apply into your watch, and also you can go for the custom one. So what does it mean? That you can actually set your favorite photo as a watch face, just right here. So that's pretty cool. Now, when you go back from this one, we can find some notifications and calls. As you can see, we can find here an incoming calls, so we can actually pick them up. We can also reply with, this quick responses. And for notifications, we can wake the screen for incoming notifications. We can turn on and off this automatic wear detection. We can mirror our phone notifications or set the custom notifications. When you go back from this one, we can find all of these fitness features. So we get heart rate with high and low heart rate alerts and continuous monitoring. We got sleep tracking with breathing rate and advanced monitoring. There's option to check the blood oxygen level. We can set blood oxygen alerts. We can measure stress level. We can also get a relax reminder, standing reminder, some base stats like our daily goals, and vitality score settings. Then we can find all apps. So we get the music application. We can control phone playback from the device. We can set alarm, up to 10 alarms. We get task reminders, weather, and ward clock. When you go back, we can also find system settings. So we get the widget screens, they are on the left side. We can sort apps. So this is this menu right here. We can adjust this into our preferences. We get the sleep mode, the do not disturb mode, and we can find our band from the phone. And the security, we can set a screen password. When you go for the more, there's nothing more interesting. Now let's go straight into our device. So as you can see on the left side, we can find this, quick settings panel and the widgets that I just showed you a few moments ago. When we swipe up, we can quick access into all apps right here. We get even this cycle tracking. We get stopwatch. When we scroll down, we can even find the camera remote shutter. There's the flashlight, compass, silent mode. So there's actually a few really useful options. Now let's go into settings. Maybe we can find something interesting. We can change watch faces. Yeah, we know that. There's notification settings. There's everything that was actually here. There we got the vibrations. For the displays, we got Rise to Wake, Always on Display. We can even change theme of the Always on Display. We got quick gestures. So what it does, let's find out. So we can rotate wrist, shake wrist. We got automatic workouts detection. Some preferences. We can change menu layout. There's also a battery saver. And in some system settings, reset, power off, reboot. So yeah, that will be all.